Go get the job done.
Alright, we're doing iodine now.
And I think I just broke my fucking ankle, and some douchebag's about to put it on my fucking foot.
Right.
So here we go. And I hope it doesn't hurt. Oh my!
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh fuck. You needed that though. That's gonna sterilize.
Put it on my foot. Put it on my foot. Put it on the bottom of my foot. Put it on my foot. Oh, holy shit. I need some wind. Wind come. This one. Wind come. Oh my god. Burnt hands don't matter right now. Burnt hands do not matter
Don't
right now.
grit your teeth, Blake. Don't grit your teeth.
He's gonna bust his teeth.
Don't grit your teeth, dude.
Here, bite on this.
Bite on this cord.
Bite on that.
Don't.
Bite on that.
Don't actually.
Hey, can you expose that? That fucking bed.
Alright. Yeah, that's the iodine trick.